What's going on, Massage Fam? As a male massage therapist and a football fan, there are two things I know for sure. The first one is, depending on what industry you go into as a male massage therapist, it could be a little bit challenging. And the second thing is, the Chiefs will be in the Super Bowl again.
Let's talk about the problem. Easy to feel undervalued. This is a serious issue within the profession. No one wants to feel undervalued. And a lot of times it's not like it's on purpose, but we definitely see our female counterparts thriving a lot of times when we are not. And so luckily for me, it's been a long time since I've had to feel that way. And I've never let myself get down in the dumps like I can't do it, or it's impossible, or the road is too hard. Those weren't things that I let creep through my mind, but I know for a fact, because of DMs, because of texts, because of calls, because of tutoring sessions, that it creeps through a lot of other male massage therapist minds. That's why I had to make this presentation, and I'm already working on the second one, addressing these types of things.